Hello everyone, welcome back to Radiology Med Easy, your all-time favorite YouTube channel. Let's see today's case. A diagnosed patient with leptospirosis suddenly developed cough, dyspnea and hemoptysis while in the ward. Contrast-enhanced chest CT in the axial and coronal planes are given. What do you think about these images? What is your diagnosis?
A humble request from the Radiology Medis team. Please take 5 seconds of your valuable time and please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Also, please comment below what do you think of us. Your comments and feedbacks are very important in our future work.
These images demonstrate bilateral extensive alveolar infiltrates with ground glass opacities. The diagnosis is diffuse alveolar hemorrhage in a leptospirosis patient. The HRCT pattern of diffuse alveolar hemorrhage can vary with time of onset of the hemorrhage. The clinical context is very important in image interpretation. During the acute phase, can range from lobular or lobe areas of ground glass opacities to predominant consolidation. Also, you can see the dark bronchus sign, that is the appearance of a relatively darker bronchus as compared to adjacent ground glass opacity. Within 2 to 3 days, intralobular lines and smooth interlobular septal thickening superimpose on areas of ground glass opacity may sometimes give rise to a crazy paving pattern. These can often resolve. Between chronic recurrent bleeding events, there is ill-defined centrilobular nodules, reflecting an intra-alveolar accumulation of pulmonary macrophages, usually uniform in size about 1 to 3 millimeters, diffusely distributed. No zonal predominance. With severe repeated hemorrhage, it may progress with features of interstitial fibrosis. Complications. Repeated episodes can lead to organizing pneumonia, collagen deposition in small airways, and ultimately pulmonary fibrosis. Other causes of diffuse alveolar hemorrhage include pulmonary vasculitis, particularly small vessel vasculitis, certain connective tissue disorders like SLE, coagulative disorders, medications such as excessive antiplatelet therapy. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.